You have to realize it's all your fault. You got to come to terms with that. As the business owner, everything is your fault. It's your fault they didn't show up on time. It's your fault they didn't put the tools back. It's your fault they pissed off Mrs. Jones, and it's your fault they don't take their job seriously. It's all our fault. When you blame other people, you're giving away your power. Your power. I mean, what are we even doing here? We started businesses and we're business owners because we want control. Control over our lives, control over the work we do, and control over our impact in the world. Why would you give up that control simply because you can't admit that you need to be a better leader? We're business owners. We should always be working on being a better leader, just like we work on being a better technician, a better salesperson, and a better marketer. Learn how to inspire the people you've chosen to take on this journey with you. Let them be part of your story.